Welcome into the third part in this lecture of series of logic design. Here I want to speak about computer hardware part 4. In this part I will speak about input and output. Input devices is any peripheral, a piece of computer hardware to provide data and control signal to an information processing system, such as a computer or other information appliance. Input devices translate data from a form that a human can read into a form that computer can deal with. Input devices include scanner, keyboard, mouse, camera, and more. On the other hand, an output device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to deliver the results of data processing carried by information processing system or the CPU, which convert the electronically generated information into human readable form. Output devices include monitor, printer, speakers, and more. Also in this lecture I will speak about interfaces such as sound card or audio card. Is an internal expansion card that provides sound, that provide input and output of audio signals to and from computer under control of computer programs. The term sound card is also applied to external audio interfaces used for professional audio application. Another interface is network interface card. Network card is an electronic device that connects a computer to a computer network, usually a LAN. It changes from Ethernet wired network to Wi-Fi. Next is a graphical interface. It is almost certain that the connection between your monitor and your PC is done using one of the three cables, either VGA, HDMI, or DVI. Note that VGA or Video Graphics Array and DVI Digital Visual Interface do not support audio. However, HDMI or High Definition Multimedia Interface support audio and better resolution. Finally, USB, short for Universal Serial Bus, is an industrial standard that was developed to define cables, connections, and protocols for connections, communication, and power supply between personal computers and their peripheral devices. This is the end of the video. I hope that you get benefits from it. So guys, be excited, subscribe my channel and like the video. Also share it with your friends.